Hello my crochet lovers! Today we are going to crochet this beautiful pattern. Make a chain with an odd number of loops. I make 15 chains. And 2 returning chains more. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain and make single crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain and make double crochet. Then skip 1 chain. Insert the hook into the next chain and make single crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain and make double crochet. Skip 1 chain and repeat the same pattern. Continue to crochet this pattern till the end of the round. Let's finish our first round. I have made double crochet and then skip 1 chain and make double crochet into the very last stitch. Make 2 returning chains and turn your work. Insert the hook into the next stitch and make single crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and make double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and repeat the same pattern. Continue till the end of the round. In the end of the round, skip penultimate stitch and make double crochet in the very last stitch. Make 2 returning chains and turn your work. Continue to crochet the same pattern. This crochet pattern could be used for placemats, bags, even rugs. So beautiful and so easy crochet pattern. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also visit my Etsy shop to get more beautiful patterns. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Ciao!